What's going down, family? It's your boy Mike Macklin, aka Money Mike, the financial Thanos, because I'm snapping my fingers and I'm turning your financial problems to dust. Hey, I want to welcome y'all to the page. Thank you so much for your support. If this is your first time tuning in, I first and foremost want to thank you. Next, I want to introduce myself real quick just so you understand who you kind of dealing with, who you're talking to, and why even listen. So my name is Michael Macklin. I go by Money Mike. I am a personal financial coach as well as a certified tax preparer. I teach a very simple 5-step financial freedom strategy, as well as provide tax preparation services, as well as planning, business credit, a lot of just great financial tools and nuggets I offer to anyone who is wishing to get on board with that. Now, to book an appointment with me or get a free financial consultation with me, you can actually go to my website at www.moneymike313.com. That should pop on your screen here in a second, as well as I'll leave that link in the description or the comments area, depending on which forum you're looking at when you see this video. Anyway, now that we got all that out the way, let's talk about why we are here today. We are here because I want to answer a common question that I have been getting. Tax season just ended on Monday. And so what I wanted to do is kind of talk about my experience with that over the next couple weeks or something like that. But specifically today, what I want to talk about is a common question that I got. And I want to answer that question first because I feel like it's an important part of financial planning, tax planning, what have you. And that is understanding what your tax bill is. A lot of people that I did their taxes, especially if they end up owing, they will often say to me, well, I didn't know how much tax was supposed to come out. And so as a result, they owed money and they didn't understand why. So they were justifiably upset. So what I want to do with this video is kind of demystify how taxes are calculated so that you can know exactly what to expect from your tax bill. So let's get right into this thing. There are two ways to actually calculate this. The first way I'm going to show you is the hard way. I'm not going to go into full detail because, again, it's the hard way. If y'all want a video about how to do it the hard way, by all means, I will do that. Just leave me a comment below and I'll leave you that. I'll make that video for you. But I'm not going to get too deep into it today. The second way I'm going to show you is the easy way, the way that most people will probably prefer. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So what you're looking at right now on my screen is actually the federal income tax brackets and rates. So the tax brackets kind of tell you how much you're going to pay depending on how much money you earn. That's how the American system works. They take a certain percentage. The higher amount that you are paid, the higher amount that you take that they take out. So it starts at 10% and goes all the way to 37%. Now, the way that the percentages works is really weird. It's kind of like they take pieces of your money and tax it accordingly. So that is about how deep I'm gonna get into it today. Now, they base it off of how much you earn as well as your filing status, as you see in the table here. So now that is the hard way. Again, I'm not going to get too deep into it, but that's just a nugget of how the hard way works. So now let me show you how to actually do the easy way to calculate your taxes. So to do that, you're going to go to irs.gov. It's coming up pretty quick for me because I go on there a lot. And what you'll do over here on the main page where it has search, you'll go to tax table. And as you can see, I kind of cheated here and I already got it in here. So then you'll click search. All right. So right here, it's recommended by the IRS to click on this link. And this is the booklet that will show you the tax rates, the tax table. So let's go into that booklet. So now this is the booklet. It's talking about form 1040 and 1040 SR. That's just the IRS tax form, is how they calculate the numbers. All right, so let's actually scroll down into the book so you can actually look at the tax table. So this is the 2021 tax table. What I just showed you a second ago was the tax brackets for 2022. So disregard, because 2021 numbers was a little bit different. So you'll see them here. So to make this very quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this sample table right here. We're going to just use this first income at the top. We're going to say, let's say that you make $25,200 a year, but less than $25,250. So if you between those numbers, all right, so what you'll do is you'll go over to the right and you'll find your filing status. So the filing statuses are single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, and head of household. They don't include the qualified widower status because I think qualifying widower is like the same as married filing jointly. So they didn't bother putting that in there. So anyway, so now to find out how much your tax bill would be for the full year, you'd get your number, so we'll just say 25,200, and then you get your filing status. So let's just say it was a married filing jointly couple. Let's say the couple made $25,200. So they can expect a tax bill of $2,629. Now, if their status was different, you would just go to their status. A single person, $2,828, or somebody filing head of household, $2,743. It is just that simple. Now, obviously, it's broken down into the thousands. It goes down into the thousands. Now, the limit for this table is $100,000. It only goes up to $100,000. So you're going to have to use the harder method if you make more than $100,000. But that is the long and short of the whole process. That is how easy it is to find out how much you actually have to pay on your taxes. Again, this is very important. I hope that this video was helpful to somebody because I got this question a lot and I wanted to answer the question. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, a love, wherever you at, and share this with somebody. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions, any comments, anything like that. But that is my time. I thank you so much for tuning in and appreciate it very much. And as I close, I want to leave you with my world famous words. I love you. God loves you. He smiles when he sees you, and he sees you all the time. So he's always smiling. So why aren't we? Y'all have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you again for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And make sure y'all check me out on my later videos. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Gone. Today's video is sponsored by my company, Money Mike LLC. And in my company, I work with individuals just like you through financial mentoring and coaching, where we talk about strategies to help you to get to your financial freedom, whether it be through making more money, rapid debt elimination, helping you lower your taxes, investment education, or how to repair or build both personal and business credit. Now, if you think you might be interested, my website is in the description box of this video. The website is going to allow you to book a free 30-minute financial planning session with me, and we can discuss if I'm the right fit for you.